Term structure is a decentralized fixed income protocol that runs on a zkTrue-up system, a customized ZK Rollup technology. The protocol provides three types of markets: primary markets, secondary markets, and repo markets. The primary markets on term structure facilitate borrowing and lending through batch auctions that match the private orders of borrowers and lenders. Initially, auctions will be conducted every 8 hours, but as transaction volume increases to a certain point, they will take place hourly. Once orders are matched, borrowers receive borrowing tokens, while lenders receive term structure fixed income tokens with a fixed rate and maturity date. The secondary markets are platforms for users to exchange term structure fixed income tokens. Via the order book trading system, users can simply buy fixed income tokens to earn fixed income or trade their fixed income tokens for hedging and risk-taking against primary markets or other DeFi protocols. The repo markets enable borrowers to use term structure fixed income tokens as collateral in order to borrow underlying tokens and enhance capital efficiency. To start using term structure, you need to connect your wallet first. We currently support 3 types of wallets: MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Injected Wallet. In this video, we will use MetaMask. To place a borrow order on term structure, first, navigate to the Primary Markets tab at the top of the page and click Borrow. Next, select the asset you wish to borrow. Term structure currently supports 5 maturing tokens and stablecoins. In the order section, choose the maturity date of your loan. This means that you're responsible for repaying the debt, including the notional and interest, before the maturity date. Then, specify the expiration time for your order, the highest acceptable interest rate, and the amount of collateral to deposit. The system will automatically calculate the maximum borrowing amount. After this, click Submit to review the order. If everything is correct, click Borrow to send your borrow order. Once your order is accepted, you can view your order history at the bottom of the page. If the status is running, that means your order has been successfully placed. If it shows completed, that means your order has been successfully matched. To place a lend order on term structure, switch to the Lend tab. Next, select the asset you wish to lend. In the order section, choose the maturity date for lending. This means you have the right to claim the notional and interest after the maturity date. Then, specify the expiration time for your order, the lowest acceptable interest rate you'd expect, and the amount you wish to lend. Finally, click Submit to review the order. If everything is correct, click Lend to send your lend order. Once your order is accepted, you can view your order history at the bottom of the page. In the primary markets, orders are matched periodically through the auction mechanism. You can check the match status of each order in your order history. If your order is completely matched, the status will be marked as completed. However, if your order is only partially matched, it will still be marked as running and will participate in the next auction. If you wish to cancel your order, you can do so at any time. Once you cancel your order, the status will be updated to canceled. Once orders are matched, borrowers will receive their borrowing tokens, while lenders will receive their term structure fixed income tokens. These tokens can be traded in the secondary markets. To place a buy order in the secondary markets, you need to go to the Secondary Markets tab at the top of the page and click Buy. Then, choose the fixed income tokens you want to purchase from the available options, which currently include 5 mainstream tokens and stablecoins. You must specify the maturity date for the fixed income tokens you want to trade, because there may be multiple maturity dates available for each type of fixed income tokens. In the order section, you can either place a limit order or a market order. If you choose to place a limit order, you will need to specify the expected interest rate and the amount of fixed income tokens you wish to buy. If you choose the market order, the system will automatically match your order with the best available offer. Once you have filled in the required information, click Buy to review the order. If everything is correct, click Buy again to send your buy order. At the bottom of the page, you can view your order history, including your orders and their current status. If the status is running, that means your order is on the market and available to be matched with a sell order. To place a sell order in the secondary markets, first, switch to the Sell tab. Second, choose the type of the fixed income tokens to sell and the maturity date. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Then, specify the expected interest rate and the amount of fixed income tokens you wish to sell. Once you have filled in the required information, click Sell to review the order. If everything is correct, click Sell again to send your sell order. The secondary market's interim structure is an instant order book matching system. This means that you can see the matched results immediately after your order is matched. To view the matched details, simply click the plus button next to each order. Thanks to the secure and efficient zkTrue-up system, users do not need to pay gas fees for placing or canceling orders in the protocol. Thank you for watching our demo video. We really hope that you've enjoyed seeing how the product works.